Let's begin your journey by creating what's probably the most famous program when learning a new language. It's called the Hello World program. It is probably the simplest, and it is often used to illustrate the basic syntax of a programming language. The program basically just outputs a message selected by the user, and to output a message in Python, we use the print statement. So let's open idle and try this program on the Python shell. Find idle, we open it, and just type print hello world and enter. And there it is, our first program, the Hello World program. Now feel free to change the message, type whatever you want, like I am feeling great today. Print as many as you need. Pretty sweet. Now let's extend this program to print the message in Minecraft. So this will be our first Minecraft program. Remember, in order to do that, you need to have the Minecraft game open, and you need to have your server running. So let's wait for Minecraft to begin. Good. Let's go to multiplayer, connect to the server. And just to make things easier to see, I'm gonna reorganize my windows. And there you go. So I'm already inside the game. Okay, so going back to the Python shell, type from mcpi.minecraft import Minecraft, enter. Then mc equals minecraft.create, enter. These lines connect your program to Minecraft. You will use them in every program that interacts with the game. So you better get very familiar with them. You will be using them all the time. Now let's proceed to print our message. So type mc.post to chat and then type your message. So hello Minecraft world. Enter. And notice how the message is printed right there in the Minecraft chat. Awesome. So the last line is the one that takes care of posting to the Minecraft chat. Feel free to post any message that you want. MC post to chat. I am ready to build amazing stuff. Enter. And there you have it. Cool. So this is your very first program, the Hello World program. We did it twice, once only using Python and another one using Minecraft. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let's move forward.